Let's take a look at exactly what is it that Dezide does compared to other solutions out there. The example we have here today is about a supply module issue. Dezide is an agnostic solution, so this is just an example. We have customers ranging from the largest compressor companies in the world, the largest turbine companies in the world, earth-moving equipment, anything, whether or not it's material or it's services, anything that can break down, a service that's not working any longer, this approach is applicable. But for any given problem, whether or not it's a material, equipment, service, whatever, in this example right now, we're talking about a supply module issue. But first step for any given problem solving is to identify what are all of the root causes. So right now we can see we have a list of root causes, but we also have a column called probability. So what is the initial probability of each of these causes? Next step, we identify the solutions, the actions to take, and they're linked up to their respective causes. But we also see two columns, one being time, another being money. Because as we talked about, we need to take into account all of these parameters, otherwise we cannot talk about efficiency. Lastly, questions. We need information. We need something that can help us guide us in the right direction. But gathering that information also takes time. So we need to also specify how long time does it take for us before we get that information, and what impact does it have. That allows us to calculate the most efficient path through any given sequence, whether or not it's a supply module issue or it's anything else. The AI-powered solution from Dezide can calculate the most efficient path through any given troubleshooting scenario. That's what we do at Dezide.